DPW Open House located at 445 Maxwell Fry Road in Millersville, Maryland. Your kids can touch a truck. You can learn all about DPW services, whether it's highways, stormwater, watershed protection, our Bureau of Utility Operations, our water program, and waste management services. We've got a lot of fun things for the kids to do. Come on down.